Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the rear window wiper fuses and relays are located on GMC guys Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find and we'll talk about it. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. But please watch the video until the end because it could be quite simple fix, and do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch the video and see what it could be. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. And now guys, for the rear window wiper, come to explain which fuses, relays we need to check. We will demonstrate on this generation GMC Terrain here. And quick advice from us to you guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now, open the hood facing the engine on the right side. Here you see that's a brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. Release them, leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to guys find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all you had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here specifically for the rear wiper we need to check up to 3 different components. You wonder where they're located. The fuse is fuse number 30. You see that fuse, this is the main fuse for the rear window wiper that you will need to check on your GMC Terrain. But then we need to have 2 relays that you need to check. There is limited information, but most likely those are for the wipers. One of them maybe will be for the front, one for the rear, but check both. This is relay 61 and relay 64 and fuse 30. So all these 3 components will need to be checked if you have problems with the rear window wiper on your GMC Terrain guys. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.